Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. Today we want to take a look at a very popular cryptocurrency chart, Solana. Let's take a look at it. Let's go. We are now on our website dailymarketupdate.com. Today we want to navigate to our cryptocurrencies section. Recently we covered some more of the tech stocks, US stocks. So if you're interested in those, make sure that you register on our website. You can do that completely for free. The link can be found in the description. Now let's take a look at the cryptocurrencies section. I already mentioned we are going to cover Solana. So we will select the Solana chart and take a look at the larger time frame first so that you get a good understanding of the overall context before we then take a look at the shorter time frame, the 4-hour chart, where we see a little bit more detail. Yeah? Now, looking at the bigger picture, I've been mentioning here for quite some time that we're probably quite close to a top, maybe even completed already that wave 1 in blue. Based on this analysis, the market could still go a little bit lower. Currently, based on the larger time frame analysis, we should be quite close to a low in wave 2 in blue here and start a third wave rally to the upside, which could take us above $264. Yeah? But we need, first of all, let's say an established low confirmed, yeah, on the smaller time frame. Now it can still go lower, which we assign quite a high probability of 45%. So that basically means we don't really have any confirmed low in place yet. But in this region, we are watching for a low. As I said, we're going to take a look at the smaller time frame in a minute to get a bit of a better understanding of what the relevant levels are. At the moment, the area around $112 could provide some support, and then should the market get a decisive break below that, the market could start to drop quite directly to the area around $56 to $29, at least should the price get there. Now, if the price gets there, and it's a big if, then this is an area to watch. These are two main Fibonacci support levels between $56 and $29. To the upside, the $264 level could provide some resistance and is an important breakout point because that is the 2024, this swing high. I think it was December or January. And long term, the price should move higher towards $500, $600, $700 as per this larger degree third wave pattern. Now, this is a development we'd really like to see for many other altcoins as well. Unfortunately, not many have actually moved as aggressively as Solana in this bullish cycle. Let's take a look at the shorter time frame. And here you can see that we are tracking this wave 2 to the downside. Now, it is entirely possible the wave 2 has bottomed. I mean, there is no evidence as such that the low is already in. So even here in the short term, we could go a little lower. A break below $112.40 would suggest we might get to, as I said, $56.56 to $29.87. Doesn't mean we have to drop directly exactly to that level, but overall we see this as an area where a low could form and a larger rally could unfold. Now, it is important to recognize that this is seen as an ABC flat correction. You can never rule out that this wave 2 will extend. For example, that the next bounce will be a B wave and then we come down in a C wave. As I said before, important is that we overall break above that $295 level. That would confirm further that a third wave rally is really in the making. Qualitatively, I mean, looking really at the structure from that last low that formed here in March, it's not impulsive to the upside, okay? So I think we still need to be a bit careful here. The market has shown a nice bounce to our trading area. You might have, if you watched the previous videos or if you're registered on our website, then you know that this was an area here where we were watching for a bounce. There was quite a noticeable rally, but it ended, in my opinion, in 3 waves. It's not a clear impulse. We're now testing that previous swing low, and the market needs to turn to the upside quite soon to keep the idea alive that the wave 2 has already bottomed. But it's quite, it's not, we don't have very clear probabilities yet. There is no low confirmation. So I think we have to remain a bit patient. And the good news is we have some additional levels to watch should the price go lower and form a more decisive break below $112. So overall, still careful, but the wave 2 could be close to completion. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure that you register on our website. As I said, it's completely for free. And also let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrencies or maybe stocks you want me to cover in future videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.